Hey guys, it's Kristin. So today's video, I'm gonna make a smoothie that I'm hoping is gonna taste really good. If you're watching this video, it means that it is, because I told myself if it turns out really good, I'll upload it. If it turns out horrible, I'm not. But what I wanna do is, I just finished working out and I don't feel like eating anything, so I thought, well, let's make a drink. But I wanna use stuff around the house. So we have a leftover sweet potato, and I thought maybe if I throw a banana in there, and maybe a peach, I'm not sure about the peach, and then some spices, and then that way I'll have like a good, healthy, you know, hearty sort of shake. So I'm gonna get all the ingredients together, and we're just gonna start throwing stuff in, and I'll show you exactly what I'm using and how much, and then we'll taste test it and see if it's any good. Before we jump any further into the video, if you guys are new, please subscribe, and then don't forget to hit the bell so you're notified when I upload a new video. The first thing we want to add is 1 cup of sweet potato that's already been cooked and cooled. Then you'll add in a half of a banana. You may want to break it into chunks if you're using a small blender. And then you'll add in 1 teaspoon of cinnamon and 1 cup of almond milk. You can also use like soy milk or regular milk, but that's what I'm using is almond milk. And then you're just going to blend that up. Now you're going to add in the other half of the banana and a half a cup more of almond milk. You can also add in a tablespoon of honey if you'd like this to be a little bit sweeter. So blend that up again, and that's pretty much it. You can definitely add in nutmeg or other fruits and vegetables if you want. You can see it's a little bit thicker, so you can add in more milk if you'd like it to be a little bit more liquidy. All right, so I was actually really surprised how good this is. Like, I might make this again in the future. You can use soy milk, you could probably use regular milk if you want, but obviously I use like the almond milk. But yeah, so I thought it turned out really good. And you know, sometimes just grab a bunch of stuff that you have and throw it together, and sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't. And in this case, it did. So anyways, that's it for today's video, guys. So if you liked it, please give me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to comment below so I know you're here, and if you have other suggestions for me. Also, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and then hit that bell so you're alerted when I upload a new video. I'll talk to you later.